Dictation at the rate of 80 words per minute. Passage number 4. Start. At the outset, I welcome you all to this training program organized by the District Rural Development Agency for the benefit of the members of the self-help groups. I think that this is for the first time that such a training program is arranged for the women. I am very happy to know that about 60 women are selected from one village and they are being provided with the training. Full stop. Trainings are important in the sense that they would make it possible for everyone to learn something. For women like you who are interested to live on your own lives besides providing employment or self employment to some, such trainings would boost your confidence. The district administration has thought of providing trainings at various levels. The first level is aimed at imparting the basics of self help and how to motivate others to join the revolution. This not only enables you to keep the members together but also develops the leadership qualities. Many of you are no doubt intelligent to understand the various aspects and implement them in your day to day lives. This is a training program which is different altogether from the earlier trainings. As you are aware, information technology is making rapid progress. As a matter of fact, it is possible for anyone to contact another in any part of the world within a few seconds and communicate with him. Also, it helps to exchange and distribute the knowledge among different persons. It has been the policy of the state government that all the villages should be provided with the global communication system within the next 3 or 4 years. For this purpose, an amount of rupees 70 crores has been allotted. This amount will be spent for providing the necessary facilities. If a majority of your members are familiar with the latest technology, it will be possible to exploit the vast resources. It is in this context that this program is organized for providing education to enable you to use the latest knowledge in future. The project director, who is a young and able administrator, has brought very good proposals, and I must really appreciate his future vision. Perhaps I think that this will be the first program organized in the entire state. You must be very thankful to him for giving you an opportunity to participate in this program. I wish you all success in your endeavors. Letter. Sir, this is with reference to the news item in your paper about the corrupt practices at the checkpost in the borders of the state. It has been a regular feature of every newspaper to report such irregularities in various departments, and the commercial taxes department is no exception. It is a well known fact that driver of every vehicle is, after all, a human being and does not hesitate to earn money at all costs. He allows people in the lorry to be carried to a short distance. For this small favor, he receives some cash, but it is illegal to transport persons in a vehicle meant for commercial purpose. The officials at the check post turn a blind eye to such evil practices by taking small bribes, which encourages the drivers to continue this practice. This should be checked immediately by transferring all the staff to very far off places as a measure of severe punishment. Yours. Stop.